James here at British Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our slash cut performance tips on this 2024 T120 Bonneville. So first thing we want to do is put our foot peg back on here. We want to make sure this pin right here lines up with that hole. You don't want to tighten down without that pin being in that hole because it will break, and then that's what keeps this locked in place so that it can't move. If you break that pin, then this will always have the ability to move, so it won't be good for your passenger. So we'll get the nut on the other side. And just like when we took it off, we keep pressure on there, keep the bolt from spinning. Use a 12 millimeter ratcheting wrench. Your other option is to pull the foot peg out, and then you can use an Allen wrench to tighten up the bolt. Okay, so now we can put our performance tip on. This uses a 3 millimeter Allen set screw on here. You need to make sure that it's not protruding through there while we're trying to slide it on. So back it up, make sure it's not there. When you install this, you want to make this 90 degrees from level there to the inside. Slide it in. About 3 millimeter Allen. Tighten that up. Make that nice and tight. And we can do the other side. So again, I'm going to install our foot peg. Line up that pin with that hole. Keep downward pressure on the peg. Keep that bolt from spinning. 12 millimeter ratchet wrench. Make sure that that pin is going into the hole as you tighten it up. So again, want to make sure nothing's sticking out in there. So we want to back it off so it's not there anymore. Go 90 degrees. This should be straight even with the one on the other side there. Don't want to have it like that or like that. Using our 3 millimeter Allen wrench. Tighten that up. Okay. So this bike here is what we call a Euro 5 bike, where the pipe from here back is welded to the cat. When you take the muffler off, it still stays nice and solid because it's welded. The pre-Euro 5, that was a clamp holding that on there, and when you take the exhaust off, this thing will start to slide up and down. So if you get this slash cut tips for a pre-Euro 5 bike, you're going to get a clamp like this that slides up over here and helps bolt on to the frame and keep this pipe from moving. We don't need it on this bike because this is welded. But if you get a pre-Euro 5 kit, you need to make sure you get the kit that has this in there. Last thing we have to do now is to tighten this heat shield up. Use your 5 millimeter Allen and tighten that up. And that's how we install slash cut performance tips.